All right, let's test your knowledge of the impulse momentum theorem. A very exciting moment in your life, I'm sure. So, here's your situation. A student kicks a soccer ball that has a mass of 450 grams with a force of 20 newtons. The ball is in contact with the student's foot for 0.3 seconds. It leaves their foot with a velocity of 15 meters per second and takes 7 seconds to reach their friend. Determine the velocity of the ball before it was kicked by the student. All right, so we want to know how fast was the ball going before the student kicked it. All right, so what you got to do is you have to, do the math. All right, so you'll notice I have 2 boxes. That might be a hint as how many main steps you got to take in this. But as always, I'm going to let you guys pause the video to give it your best shot and then see what happens after that. So pause the video in 3, 2, 1. You didn't pause it, did you? No, just pause it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I'm going to assume that you're back because you have the correct answer. Now, in case you didn't get it right, let's just first check. Okay. So step 1, we really should have a picture. Oh, look at those art classes paying off for me. Yes. So you want to have a sketch. It doesn't have to be this detailed. It could be a dot with arrows and stuff like that. Okay, so you want to make a sketch of the situation before and the after what's happening. And so you'll see I laid out all the information. You'll notice there's one piece of information I completely ignored. The 7 seconds. Because no one cares how long it took to get to their friend. Because all we want to know is how fast it was going before we kicked it. And all the information we have is during contact. So therefore, that's what we want to focus on. So maybe that's where you went wrong. Second little curveball I threw in there was that I changed the mass. It was originally in grams. You got to convert that to kilograms or it's just not going to work because kilograms are our base units for physics. So if we did all that right, let's see if we got the right answer. Huzzah! 1.6 repeating meters per second. It's a positive value. If you got a negative, double check your math because there's a little, like some double negatives going on in this algebra. So again, lay it out, make sure you did the right substitution, and if you do all the algebra correctly, you get that 1.6 repeating. If you got a negative, watch those double negatives and kind of just take it step by step. All right, if you got it right, that's awesome. If not, you know where to find me. And let's just keep doing some science because we love science. Yay!